Hey y'all, I'm Joy Scola and I'm here with another yoga etiquette on how to properly fold your yoga blankets. So I see a lot of times people actually fold their blanket improperly, and as someone who loves to use blankets in their yoga practice as well as in their classes, this gets a little frustrating when I actually have to have my students unfold their blankets and refold them properly so we can use them as intended. And also when they're just thrown together and then thrown in a pile, it doesn't help the studio look good either. So a proper way to fold your yoga blanket is to take it lengthwise, grabbing the shortest ends, and then folding them in half hot dog length. So as you can see when I do this, it automatically takes the width of my yoga mat, which is really great when I want to lay down for savasana or practice some yummy yin yoga. So now from my hot dog length, I'm going to take end to end. And then once I've shaken it out, got it lined up, I'll fold it hamburger style once more. And then voila, we have a properly folded yoga blanket. So as soon as you want to lay into savasana, you unfold it twice, lay it out, and you have a nice comfy place to rest. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Please be sure to leave any questions below that you might have about proper yoga etiquette. Namaste.